Okay, so I just finished this book called ReThink Sober by Daniel Stouffer, and I need to talk about it for a minute, because it completely changed the way I think about drinking. And not just drinking, but the whole idea of addiction, recovery, and even willpower. Here's the insight that stopped me in my tracks. The problem isn't alcohol, it's the story your brain tells about it. Let that sink in. Because for years, I thought my struggle was about the drink, the habit, the nights I'd try to cut back and fail. But this book, ReThink Sober, helped me see that what I was really dealing with was programming. See, your brain learns to associate alcohol with certain things, like relief, safety, celebration, even love. And unless you change those associations, those deep unconscious stories, you'll keep going back to it. Not because you're weak, but because your brain thinks it's helping you survive. That's what makes this book different. It's not about abstinence or control or being stronger. It's about rewiring the code underneath the craving, like literally changing the way your brain responds to the thought of drinking. Daniel takes you into the science of neuroplasticity, how your brain adapts and makes it feel so personal, so doable. There's no shame, no blame, just insight, tools, and a completely new path to freedom. And the best part? It's not about fighting anymore. It's about getting to a place where you simply don't want it, not because you're forcing yourself, but because the story changed. If you've ever felt stuck in the cycle, like quitting isn't working, or you're tired of the constant inner war, ReThink Sober is the book you didn't know you needed. I genuinely can't recommend it enough. This one's different. It doesn't just help you stop drinking, it helps you stop needing to.